Smokers, you're Christopher Wallace. Now picture them all as plastic and foam that lays flat when you put your dinner plates out and set it on them like a placemat. I am phenomenal, and I want you to say that.
Every breath in my lungs won't stop until I'm phenomenal.